I'm going to try this Munk Pack granola bar that is essentially made with almonds instead of typical oats. Makes it grain-free. And this one is blueberry almond vanilla. Some of the others I've tried are chocolate. So let's open this one up and check it out. Oh, okay, it's got some kind of sweet glaze on there. You could smell the blueberries as I was opening it. And they really pop. It's kind of like a Fig Newton. I don't see that many blueberries, but the flavor pops. Almond vanilla. Well, it definitely tastes like a chewy granola bar, but knowing it's all almonds and some other nuts and then the blueberries, very good. I really like this one. Most of the other ones are chocolate, and I thought I was going to like those better. I can really see where this would be good for breakfast. Hope this helps.